This is exactly what I was talking about the other day, Monday actually, and today's only Thursday. With the snow comes sand, salt, slush, and mud. And as you can see here, look at all that white stuff all over the truck. Okay? And it's not a bad day out today. I mean, it's on the tailgate. It's everywhere. As you can see all down the side here. Yeah, it's all sand and salt. Not good for your vehicle. So because it's a decent day, we're going to get out here in a couple minutes and wash this bad boy. As you can see, it just takes some warm water in a bucket. And the Streak-Free Pro Car Wash cloth. You wet it, you wring it out. Okay, here's a shot of the truck now, and it's been washed up. And like I say, all it took, I'm getting a lot of glare right now, but that's because it's so shiny. You know, and all it took, you don't see any of that white stuff. You go around the other side and see. As you can see, the chrome is sparkling. See back here, it's all nice and cleaned up. Drive. So there you have it. The Streak-Free Pro Car Wash Cloth. It'll get her done.